We're gonna do the monster noise. You ready? Okay. So how old are you?
4.
You're 4 years old? And why do you need a treatment? What are you here for?
For my neck.
For your neck? Okay, so put your hands on your belly. Good. Oh, that's great. Good. How's school, okay?
I guess I wanted to post it.
I'll do that. Oh, yeah, I'll do that too. Okay? Feel that there? And it's gentle. And we're going to wiggle. Ready? Okay. Whoa! That was amazing, wasn't it? How many clicks did you hear?
1.
I heard 3. We'll listen to it on video. We'll see what they say. That was really good. Okay, now I want you to put your hands on your belly. We're going to do the monster noise. You ready? Voila! Don't five. No, just one. Give me a skip.
Again.
No, give me a skip.
Again.
Give me a skip.
Again.
Okay, one more time. Good job. Thanks. We'll send you a copy of that one.
Let's see.
I'll let you see it.